Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this lovely Suzuki V-Strom 800 for sale. It's a lovely clean bike is this one. It's a 2026 on a 26 plate with 1881 miles from new. But it's stunning. It's the RE model, so as standard it does have that quickshifter fitted to it, and you get a big colour TFT display with adjustable traction, power modes and switchable ABS as well. So yeah, like I said, nice big colour screen. All the information you could need is just there. Like I say, you can switch each of those modes with a touch of a button. It's got a little extender on the top of the screen just to deflect that wind. Really good value for money bikes these, and I'm sure it'll sell very quick. So if you do fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.